Hello, teacher. My name is Johan Carvajal. Activity 1 described an haunted house. Haunted house. With when entered the house, it fed chicks. The house was very ugly. It had many cupboards and it had bad smell. Visitors started when entered and began to explore the house. If it is summoned, what following me and in words voices speaking to me, fixing entering rounds on the first floor, mobs on their only foe on an scarred fortune, and it's seven and four in the went to the second floor and the only train in four was single wrong with and on the bed covered in covers and dressed tablet at when is summoned in fog in looking as person begging me. In that moment, Aaron hold for house and Mary entered the place again. Thank you.